Hopefully the internet will be good. Okay, those who in YouTube, if you can hear me, then type good morning as normal. Okay. Okay, class, soon we will start. Hopefully everybody can be ready. Once you're ready, then we will start now. I'm trying to share the screen. So hopefully I'll be able to share the screen soon. Trying my best to. Yes, today I'm in college. Okay, so good morning, everyone. Hopefully all of y'all are ready to study, ready to work a little bit. You got back your UPS result. Some of y'all got full marks. Congrats. Some of y'all did not manage to get full marks. It's okay. Try next time again. Okay. Nadira morning. Michael morning. Arifa morning. Okay. Atika morning. Everybody good morning. So soon we start live. Meanwhile, before that, let's enjoy this. Okay, so let's start lah. In a while we start. Sharp 10 o'clock I will start lah. Okay, rest all good morning. Please ready with A4 papers. Okay. For those who are already in Zoom, I think you all can see the screen. So please do respond back if you can see the screen. For those who are on YouTube, yep, you will be able to see the screen in a while. Okay, hold on. I still leave again. Okay. Morning Chu, morning Fatin. Okay, I'm going to share what we're going to study today. So, yep. So, be prepared now for what we are going to study today. Here you go. I think those in YouTube, soon you'll be able to see. Okay, matrices over there. Okay, anybody who would like to join me inside StreamYard, you can join me. Okay, we got the permission ready. So I type that in YouTube. So maybe you can join and you can even speak lah. Okay. Okay, good. I see people are joining in already. So yep. In 4 minutes time, I will begin live. Okay, exactly 4 minutes. I will begin. So hope everybody is ready and ready to study lah. Okay. Okay. We are going to go to chapter 4, matrices and system of linear. Okay, system of linear equation, and we are trying to solve this matrices here lah. Okay, we are going to solve this today. Okay, I hope that the faster y'all can join, the faster we can start, and the faster we can end also lah. Y'all can relax. Okay, it's Friday today. Okay, the weather looks good. Many states have moved on to phase 2, so that's a good sign. Hopefully, we get back to normal again soon. Okay, I'm waiting for the others to come in. Okay, Miza, you want to join? You can join, no problem. Yeah, Miza, you're on the stream yet, so if you speak, you will be here also. Okay, Miza, you can type, you can chat, you can do everything there. Anybody else? Okay, I can take 10 people in. So yeah, 10 students can join me. Okay, morning Akhil. Okay, 2 more minutes and we start. Huh?
Yes, sir.
Mm. Okay, good. Miza, you can hear me right?
Yes, I can hear you.
That's good. I think everybody can hear Miza right now. So that's good. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, good then. Okay, in a while we will start. Huh? I have 34 of you in YouTube, 14 of you all in Zoom. So, yep, waiting for the others to join. Your voice. Okay, with that, it's 10:01, so I think I should start line. Okay, let's start. So here we're going to go. This is what we are going to study today. Matrices and system of linear equation. Okay, so well, it's quite disappointing line today. I don't see many of you all here yet. And I heard that you all finished class 15 minutes earlier, right? Not? So you all should be actually be able to join live. Okay. Anyway, that's said and done. I think I should move on. So yep, the last lesson there, ERO. I will do that in lecture. In tutorial. Okay, ERO. We will do that in tutorial because ERO is not that important and it takes a lot of time. Okay, so to do in lecture is very hard lah. Okay, so we straight away go to system of linear equation, and this is something which you have studied before. It's not something which is new or what. Okay, this is the system of linear equation given to you. Okay, 3x1 my plus with x2 plus with 2x cubed equals to 11 over there. Okay, and then 3x1 plus 2x squared plus 2x cubed equals to 10 over there. Okay, equals to 10, and x1 plus x cubed equals to 5 over there. So we have three variables over here, and these three variables is what we want to change into matrix form. So how can we change this to matrix form? This is very easy. We put 3 1 2, and then 3 2 2, and then 1 0 1. Okay, so we change this to this way. We can write down x1, x2, or we can just write down this as x, y, z. Okay, equals to 11, 10, and 5. This is how you change in 2 by 2 matrix or so, right? Not linear equations. Two linear equation, you change into matrix form this way. And then it comes to this part over here. When it comes this part over here, you can see that this part of the matrix here, you will shift. When you shift this part of the matrix, is actually inverse. Okay, this is actually inverse. But before we can solve this, you have to always show this. Ax equals to b. So then A inverse A x equals to A inverse B. Therefore, Ix equals to A inverse B. X equals to A inverse B. Must show this. Understand? This is what you have to show to the examiner and how you are proceeding by using matrices to solve the problem there. Clear? This is already written at the top here, so this proof. So try to memorize this line. This is something which you have to always show before you proceed. Now from here, they give you the A inverse already. Okay, A inverse, all of you all know how to find, right? You find the minor, you find the determinant. Okay, sorry, you find the determinant first. After you find the determinant, the first step, find determinant. Then you find the minor, and then you find the cofactor by changing the diamond sign. Yes or not? Inside the diamond, and then you transpose the thing. And number 5 is adjoint lah. Okay, and number 5 is adjoint matrix lah. Can understand that? Okay, so number 5 is adjoint. Number 6, we use the formula 1 over determinant times by the adjoint. So that's what we will use, and that from here we can see the inverse is already found for us. So 2, negative 1, negative 2, negative 1, 1, 0, negative 2, 1, 3. This is the inverse. And here will be the B there, which is 11, 10, and 5. Okay, 11, 10, and 5. And then now we do our row and column multiplication. So you can see row times by column over here. Okay, so from there you can see this is going to be 22 minus 10 minus 10, and then negative 11 plus 10 plus 0, and then negative 22 plus 10 plus 15. Okay, so from here you get 22, and then negative 1, and 25 there minus 22, you get 3. Okay, so if I'm not mistaken, this should be your answer already. Is that 22 or 2? Is it? Oh, sorry, 2. My mistake. Okay, is it my mistake? I hope it's my mistake. No, it's the question mistake. The answer here is wrong. Here is supposed to be 22. Okay, please correct the answer there. Okay, this is 22 there. So 22, negative 1, and 3 over there. So that's what we get over there. Can you all understand this or not, everybody? Any problem until here so far, class? Can? Anybody got any problem until here so far, class? Can? Okay, very good. Now we move on some more. Okay, we move on. Example A there. Okay, the next one there, we can see that A and B is given, and they ask us to find the multiplication of A and B. So if they ask us to find multiplication of A and B, this is quite easy. This is row times with column here. So 1 times 1, 3 times 2, negative 1, 9 times negative 1. So you get 16 over there. And then row times another one more column over here, row times another one more column over here. So you get 0 and 0. So this is very obvious. This is just going to be 16, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, which is just 16i there. Clear? So here we will get AB equals to 16i. Okay, you put A inverse inside here. So here also put A inverse. So B equals to 16A inverse I. So here you get 16A inverse. So 16A inverse over here, you know that A inverse equals to 1 over 16 of B. Okay, you know one thing, that A inverse equals to 1 over 16 of B. So 1 over 16, put the matrix of B there, 1, 3, 0, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 0, 1. That's our answer. Remember one thing, please do not write this. Okay, you cannot write A inverse equals to B over 16. This is wrong. Understand? This is wrong. So remember this. Okay, it's not divide. It's 1 over 16 times by B. Okay, it's a scalar multiplication over there. So I hope that's clear for everybody. Any problem until there so far, class? Yes, any question? I wait for questions if you have before I move on. Siti, any question, Siti? If no, then I will move on. So, yeah, any question, class?
No.
No? Okay, then cool. So, I will move on. Lah. Okay, so if I move on, okay, sorry, excuse me. Okay, so if I move on over here, you can see the equation given over here is very obvious 151 and then 3, negative 1, 3, negative 9, 3, 7. Okay, and here is x, y, z. So here is 751. Okay, 751 there. Okay, so now before we can proceed and write down the final answer, okay, we have to always write down this first lah. So you can see that this, if you look at A there, okay, if you look at A here, okay, 151 is here. But now 151 became this way. So this is a transpose, yes or not? This is A transpose, yes or not? So now you can write down this as A transpose X equals to B. Okay, A transpose X equals to B there. So if A transpose X equals to B over there, now you have to take the inverse of A transpose. So inverse A transpose inverse A transpose X equals to A transpose inverse equals to B there. So from there you can see that X equals to A transpose inverse B. Okay, but what is A transpose inverse? You should know that A transpose, the A inverse inverse matrix is going to be the same thing lah. So the determinant is definitely the same, 1 over 16. Okay, if you look at over here, our inverse was 1 over 16, 130, 2, negative 1, 3, negative 1, 0, 1. Okay, that was our A inverse here. Okay, so if I say A transpose inverse right now, okay, the 130 have to be a transpose lah. So this is 130 and then 2, negative 1, 3 and negative 1, 0, 1. So I transpose the inverse here. Understand? I transpose the inverse. When I transpose the inverse and then I times with the B there. The B there is 751. So from there you get this line over here. So I hope you understand until that. Yes, this part of here is very important to be shown. Understand that part is very important to be shown in exam. Understand? Okay, so now from there you can multiply this, of course. You can times 1 over 16 inside, or you can multiply this with this first. You get 16, 16, 16. Then divide everything by 16, so you get 1, 1, 1. So very obvious that 1, 1, 1 is our answer there. Okay, 1, 1, 1 is our answer. Now, you might tell me, sir, how can we check our answer? There is a way to check your answer in the equation formula. If you go to equation in your calculator and then you press mode, you go under equation and you press for unknown. Okay, unknown 3. Or they will give you like this: A x1 plus B x2 plus C x3 equals to D. You can press this. So this is solving 3 variable equation. Okay, 3 variable equation. So when you press the unknown 3 there, that is what now you have to put A1, B1, C1, and then A2, B2, C2, A3, B3, C3, and D1 sorry, D1 before I forget, D2 and D3. Now, where is this A1, B1, C1, D1? Here A1, B1, C1, D1. Then where is the next one there? Okay, the next A2, B2, C2 is here, and the last one there. Okay, the last one is this here. Can you see that? So you can see 3 equations over there, which you can change okay, which you can change over there. So I hope until there, okay, everybody can, until there, everybody so far. Okay, everybody can. Okay, if everybody okay can, I hope until there everybody can do Any problem until there so far? Okay, any problem until there so far? Can Okay, very good then. Yes, okay, very good. So if no problem, I move on little bit more here. Okay, so we move on. The next topic over here is how to conclude the inverse metric by elimination method or inverse method. So if you look over here, they give you a few examples over here. Okay, we try and do together. Okay, now if I look over here, they give you A, and then they give you A square minus 6A plus 11I, where I is the identity matrix. Show that A times with this equals to 6I. So no problem. So A square there, you have to go and calculate now. 112, 0, 2, 2, negative 1, 1, 3. Again, put 112, 0, 2, 2, negative 1, 1, 3. Minus 6A there. Okay, minus 6A, 112, 0, 2, 2, negative 1, 1, 3. Okay, plus with 11I there, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1. Okay, can or not internet so far? Okay, can I everybody?
Answer.
Okay, everybody? Okay, now from there, we get this ready. So from here, we can times this whole thing by A. So once you get this answer over here, which you're going to get 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, 5, negative 2, 2, negative 2, 2 over here. Okay, once you get this ready, then you times with A lah. So when you times with A there, you're going to get 1, 1, 2, okay, 1, 1, 2, 0, 2, 2, okay, negative 1, 1, 3. Okay, times back with 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, 5, negative 2, 2, negative 2, 2. Get for me the final answer lah. So here you're going to get 4, negative 1. Oops, sorry. When you times with A there, okay, they say us to show that equals to 6I. Oh, wait. Sorry, cannot. Okay, so if I times with A there, they ask me to show I cannot use this method. The reason is I have to use this A cube minus 6A, okay, square plus 11A here, okay, equals to 6I. They want me to show that. Let me just see here if I can do that. Mm, okay, rather than doing that way, I think I better do this way. Okay, because I know that A square minus 6A plus 11I, okay, equals to 6I. So this is A and this is matrix B lah. It's a different matrix already, right? Equals to 6I. So now if I want to find A inverse, I put A inverse here, A inverse here. So I'm going to get B equals to 6A inverse. Therefore, A inverse equals to B 1 over 6 here lah. So A inverse here is just 1 over 6 of inverse B. Okay, 1 over 6 of B. And B we already find. This is B. What? Understand this whole thing we let B. So B we already find. So we put inside there. 1 over 6, 4, negative 1, negative 2, negative 2, 5, negative 2, 2, negative 2, and 2. That's it. Okay, so that's how basically we get our answer there. Any problem until here so far? Can everybody? Okay, I hopefully can. Okay, and then here got few exercise, okay, for you all to do. Okay, now we look at the next one. The next one is by using Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Again, this method is not something which is possible to be tested in exam. The reason is because we don't really plan to use Gauss-Jordan elimination method. And if your exam is in objective, like UPS 1, this you can basically use calculator and straight away get the answer. So no need to spend so much time inside this lah. Okay, but the notes are given to you. This is under ERO, so I will explain this more later in tutorial time lah. Okay, I will explain this more in tutorial because if I explain this during lecture, it's too much. Okay, it's too long, cannot. Okay, now before we finish, okay, I want you to just use number 1 and number 2. Okay, try number 1 and number 2 right now. Okay, by using inverse method. Okay, by using inverse method, please try and attempt number 1 and number 2 right now lah. Okay, so I expect everyone to try right now. I give you some time to try right now. Yeah, today's lecture is not so long. It's just for a while because not much. And then next week, Monday, we start for chapter 5. Okay, Monday, we start for chapter 5 there. So yeah, can everybody try number 1 and number 2 there? Okay, give a try using inverse method. Remember. Okay. Okay, if anybody get the answer for x1, x2, x3, let me know now. You can let me know in chat. Try using inverse method now. Okay, you can try using the inverse method there. So I give some time for you to try. Okay, so with that, I think I will show you the answer here. You can see x1, x2, x3 is here. So anybody who finish doing, okay, the questions, can send me the answer in the Telegram lah. Okay, for those who send first in Telegram, you will be rewarded very happily later lah. Okay, so yep, let's see what's the reward lah. Okay, so I expect you all to finish up and send me the answer. Okay, nothing much over there. These are questions for you all to do over here. So these questions also, I think you all can do yourself already, and all the questions are there already. The answers also are there. So I will not spend much more time and over here for lecture. So with that, end of lecture for chapter 4 lah. Okay, in for chapter 4. I will discuss ERO in your tutorial class later. Okay, ERO we will discuss in tutorial class later. Okay, so with that then, thank you class. See y'all. Bye bye. If you have any questions, then I answer. If you don't have, then thank you class. Okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you class.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Okay, bye.